Today I'm decorating this plastic Christmas ball from Michaels. I'll start by snipping the tag off and taking the top off. I'm starting with this Master's Touch acrylic white paint, and it had to be diluted with water, so I did that in this water bottle and I'm pouring it into the ball. And I'm just swirling it around just to evenly coat everything. I've had this sitting overnight to let the paint drain out of it. I don't know how long it'll take for the inside to completely dry, but for now I'm going to move on to the next step. I'm just giving it a quick wipe with rubbing alcohol to make the paint adhere better. I did a Google search on Holly and Berry's clip art and found this, and I've already cut it down, and I'm going to position it sort of catty-cornered, and I think that'll be perfect to trace. Now I'm putting a small piece of carbon paper face down with the holly on top of it, and I'm just positioning it, trying to get it the way I want it, catty-cornered, and taping it down. I'm just going to start tracing in the black lines of it. And when you peel it off, there's our image. Now I'm outlining each leaf with Americana acrylic paint in Black Forest Green. And I'm filling in the berries with Apple Barrel acrylic paint in Real Red. And I just dipped my paintbrush in a touch of white paint just to highlight the center of each berry. And now I'm filling it in with Apple Barrel acrylic paint in Real Green. So now I am just going over the leaves with this other color I have. It's called Tropical Foliage, and it's such a pretty green. I thought it might be fun to add another layer of color to the leaves. So I am just going over. I started off just doing it at the tip, but I'm pretty much covering the whole leaf as I go. And there it is up on the tree. We have a mixture of different ornaments, so it fits in perfectly. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.